Hi everyone, I'm Wang.
I'm Louis. Today we're going to talk about the vehicle wiper system.
Both passenger vehicles and commercial vehicles are equipped with wiper blades of different specifications. A complete wiper system goes from the motor to the linkage, the arm, and the blade. The absolute core parts here are the motor and the blade.
Wiper blades clear off rain and snow, cutting down the risk of accidents in bad weather or at night. A bad or worn-out blade leaves streaks, blurs your vision, causes glare, and makes driving dangerous. Now let Wang explain the working principle of the wiper blade to you in 20 seconds.
Different vehicles and windshields are equipped with wiper blades of different specifications, but they all work the same way. The wiper arm presses the blade down. The rubber strip wipes the glass, sweeping away the water. And the remaining thin film of moisture just evaporates. That's why the quality of that rubber strip is everything for a clean wipe. Cretech wiper blades use highly resilient natural rubber that hugs the glass tightly for a solid wipe. We use a special formula to make them handle extreme temps. They work perfectly in 55 heat, survive a 90 lab bake without deforming, wipe clean at -17, and won't crack even at -40. So whether your trucks are running in scorching heat or freezing cold, Cretech wiper blades keep your vision clear and driving safe.
Over time, if dirt builds up on the blades, clean it off gently with a damp cloth. Just don't do it too often because you're wiping away the graphite coating along with the dirt. So Wang, why is graphite coating added to the rubber strips?
As we all know, graphite is a tough, chemically resistant mineral. Coating our blades with it protects the rubber from harsh washer fluids and reduces wear and tear. This simple upgrade boosts the blade's lifespan by over 50% compared to uncoated ones, keeps the rubber smooth, and completely stops that annoying squeaking noise.
A great wiper blade isn't just about the rubber, the frame is just as important. The claws and flexible spring steel distribute the pressure evenly, letting the rubber sit flush against the glass for wiping work. The hollowed-out design cuts down wind resistance, taking the load off the wiper motor and making it last longer. Plus, we hit the surface with a 3-step anti-rust treatment, an electrocoating base, a powder-coated outer layer for wear resistance, and touch-up paint for the details. They easily pass the 168-hour salt spray test without a speck of rust. We mentioned earlier that the motor powers the whole system. So how does it work?
When powered up, the DC motor's rotor spins the worm gear, which works with the turbine to drop the speed and boost the torque. That power is then pushed straight to the wiper linkage.
For an electrical part, waterproofing is everything. Cretech motors come with a waterproof casing, heavy-duty seal rings between the housing parts, and sealant packed tightly into every wiring gap. Beyond sealing, any other important processes are there for the motor?
Of course there are. Rotor dynamic balancing is the most critical process for the motor. If it's off, the motor vibrates, leading to metal fatigue and loose parts. That's why Cretech motors use automated mechanical weight removal instead of manual weight addition. Automated removal gives us perfectly controlled balancing with an error of under 40 milligrams. Manual jobs usually just test it once and call it a day, but our automated system tests it repeatedly until the balance is dead on.
We also use a skewed rotor core instead of a straight one. This drops electromagnetic noise by 30 to 50% and reduces cogging torque by 50% to 90%. The result is a buttery smooth start with zero jerking.
Besides blades and motors, Cretech also supplies all specs of wiper arms and linkages, giving you a complete wiper system solution from top to bottom.
That's all for today.
For more product details and specs, welcome to visit our official website.